Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by seating the patient comfortably and aligning their forehead and chin. You want minimal head movement. Once done, set the focimeter scale to 0 and check the beam is centered. This gives a reliable baseline. Make sure the target is at the standard testing distance, usually 6 meters, and instruct the patient to fixate steadily. You do this so axis and power measurements aren't biased by posture or fixation shifts. Accurate alignment equals repeatable refractive readings. You rotate the focimeter drum to find the sphere focus where the Myers become sharp. Read and note the diopter value immediately. Next, introduce cylinder correction incrementally while watching the Myers. The clearer the Myers, the closer you are to the correct cylinder power. Then adjust the axis control until the Myers align symmetrically. When they snap into sharpness, lock the drum and record the axis. Doing steps in this order reduces guesswork and isolates sphere versus cylinder errors for a precise refraction. You finish by repeating measurements monocularly to confirm consistency, and then perform a binocular balance if required. This ensures comfortable vision when both eyes work together. Once readings match, document sphere, cylinder, and axis clearly. If results vary, remove and replace the trial lens or repeat the measurement to rule out transient errors. A key troubleshooting tip: if Myers wobble or blur, inspect alignment, clean lenses, and remind the patient to fixate. Most errors come from misalignment or smudged optics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.